Some of the things that are going to come up in the poems tonight are motherhood and also being adopted. So that just might be useful for this next poem. Stranger, thank you for giving me this body to break. On Lakeshore Drive, for the eyes I turn to the radio as the lady in the red SUV slams on her brakes. Thank you for bringing me into this world where my Pontiac crumples like crepe paper, where the airbag's white fist pummels my chest and burnt talcum erupts like confetti, stains my clothes with the scent of singed hair. Thank you for my skin against bug blood stained glass as it shatters in the strobe of the headlights, for my legs that still stand, stumble to the cracked yellow line of my lane as I mark its bandage of snow with my heels. Stranger, I want to thank you for the college party that led to my conception. Cramped bedroom, I can only imagine how maybe your hands, cold as comets, curved against the bend of his back. How maybe your tongue moved in his mouth in this moment that leads to your body, weaving velvet layers of blood into my tongue, the cold bones of my hands. Those small strands of DNA that swirl in your cells, replicating to muscle, becoming the thing that moves me. Stranger, I lie in the ambulance when asked for my medical history. I watch the wiper break geode of city again, the snowflakes reform again and again, and I say, I know nothing about my birth mother. But I mean, I've learned no name, have no language for how we've never sat across a table, fingers greasy with fries, how it wasn't you who read to me each night, taught me to make pizzelles and Sunday gravy, rushed to the emergency room. But still, somehow, I know you by the beautiful facts of my fingers, my cracked sternum, the skin of my chest purpling with fireworks of blood.